The ABS control unit is located in the front trunk or frunk area. Open the front trunk and remove the lower section in the cargo area. This is the section that holds the small toolkit. Unscrew the 2 plastic screws and just pull it out. Release the 2 plastic clips, one on each side indicated by the red arrows, and slide the unit forward. Turn the unit over and press in on the tab and disconnect the wiring connection from the unit. Red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.